Did you know that 85% of people face significant rejection at least once a month, and that this feeling is one of the major causes of anxiety and depression? But what if I told you that you can transform that rejection into the greatest boost for your personal success? Welcome to Stoic Monk, where we teach you to transform your struggles into stepping stones to success. Today, we will unlock the doors of Stoic wisdom to not only handle rejection, but to turn it into your superpower. 1. Ignore those who ignore you. When life ignores you, it's your time to shine. Instead of feeling lesser, use this rejection as fuel to elevate yourself. Immerse yourself in activities that enrich your life and make you happy. Remember, your value does not depend on the attention of others. 2. Control your emotional response. Stoicism teaches us to stay calm in the face of rejection. It's not about suppressing your feelings, but about not letting them control you. Analyze why it affects you and use that analysis to strengthen yourself. 3. Disconnect from negativity. Transform each rejection into an opportunity to grow. Don't let a moment of negativity anchor your thoughts. Instead, face it as a challenge to rediscover yourself and redirect your energy towards personal growth. 4. Prove your worth. When you're overlooked, don't crumble. Use it as an opportunity to demonstrate your resilience and your ability to overcome obstacles. Sometimes, rejection is simply the universe guiding you towards something better. 5. Use silences strategically. Silence is a powerful response tool. By not reacting immediately, you give yourself space to reflect and grow. It's not about making others regret their actions, but about reaffirming your self-respect and strength. 6. Prove them wrong. Use rejection as a challenge to excel. Improve your skills, broaden your knowledge, and let your achievements speak for themselves. The best revenge is your own success. 7. Go out and have fun. Face rejection with joy. Explore new activities, connect with friends, and let these positive experiences dilute the weight of rejection. 8. Build your social status. Invest in yourself. Develop your skills, engage in the community, and use these efforts to build a more resilient version of yourself. 9. Act as if they don't exist. Respect your inner peace by choosing where and when to interact. Maintain professionalism and avoid unnecessary emotional games. 10. Give the silence treatment. Use silence to reflect and strengthen your character, not as a tactic to manipulate others. 11. Do not beg for attention. Trust in your intrinsic value and devote energy to what you truly enjoy and value. 12. Be kind, but emotionally distant. Show kindness without expecting anything in return. Protect your emotional well-being by staying emotionally healthy and centered. 13. Do not reveal your struggle. Face rejection with dignity, and do not let it destabilize you. Continue with your activities with determination and confidence. Now you know 13 powerful hacks to turn rejection into a stepping stone for your personal growth. Which one resonated most with you today? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments. And if you haven't yet, subscribe to Stoic Monk and activate the notifications to join our community. Remember, every no is simply the next step towards your yes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.